Very nice, baby. Are you stuck now? Are you stuck? How could you be stuck? It's only 3 feet of snow. It's only snow that's up to my hips. Need a lifeguard? Should I call David Hasselhoff? Can't get up. You gotta roll over. You try to push with your arms, you're just gonna push your arms into the snow. There you go. Now you're learning.
Help me! I got snow on my coat, help me!
There you go, baby. Oh, I can't reach. Don't pull me in. Whoa. Give me your hand.
Pull my leg.
Pull your leg? You're gonna pull your boot off. Here. Come here. Ready? Oh, look at all that plow work you ruined. Very nice. Whew. Nice!
That's the way to do it.
That's how you do it. That's how you do it.